guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I have a very special unboxing because I just bought my first camera. So guys, after months and months of research, I have concluded on this camera. So yeah, let's just open this up. So guys, I bought my camera from the Canon Image Square. So the first thing that came with the camera is, now this is the first thing, which is a tripod, which is a gorilla pod, which a lot of people call it. So yeah, let's open this up. So yeah, I'll put this aside. Now the next thing that we have is the camera case. Let's open this up as well. Now the camera case is really small. You have a manual. Precautions to use a camera case, very important, right? Now this pouch does not have a lot of pockets. Yeah, there are not a lot of pockets, so you cannot keep your memory card or your battery in separate packets. Can you guys see that? Now this is the memory card, which I will talk about in some time, so let's leave this aside. Now moving on to the most important part, or probably the only reason why you guys clicked on this video, right? It's this. So guys, this is the Canon G7X Mark II. So yeah, it says 16 GB card inside and you get 2 years of warranty. And the camera case, so the camera case came with this. I did not have to buy a camera case externally. So yeah, let's open this up. You get a user manual and a warranty card. This is the adapter cable. You get the connector for the adapter cable. So you plug the battery inside and plug this in and it charges. This is the battery. This is the battery. You have a camera strap. So you get a 16 GB memory card. Now the reason why I said I'll talk about the memory card later, because you get a 16 GB memory card with this camera. And if you are a person who would record all day and every day, you guys might need to buy an extra memory card. Now 16 GB might not be enough, so I went ahead and bought a 64 GB memory card instead. So yeah, this is the camera. of the main reasons why people buy this camera is because of the flip screen. Yeah, so if you're somebody who vlogs every day or who wants to become a vlogger, this camera is the best for you. Now this camera is one of the best. It has 20.1 megapixels. This makes it easier for you guys to vlog yourself. Like when you're taking a video of yourself, it is easier because you can see what's going on in the video. Now if you look at the normal Canon G7X and compare it to the Canon G7X Mark II, you have a rubber grip which they have added, so it makes it easier for you guys to hold it. Whenever you're holding a vlogging camera, it is good that you guys have this rubber grip because this helps you hold the camera. Now the way by which you turn this thing on is you have a lock button here. You press that and it opens up. Now let's take our battery. Now this was the battery that was provided with the camera, so the first thing that it asks you to do is to set the date and time. And yeah, this camera has a touch sensitive screen which is 3 inches. So you can touch and focus a specific part of the frame that you guys want. So which makes it easier for the camera to focus. Now the autofocus anyways is one of the best. So if it sees anything moving or if you want to capture anything, it focuses automatically. Now zoom is over here. Now one of the hidden things in this camera is the flash. So if you guys want the flash, you just press the button at the side and the flash pops up. And this flash is retractable, so if you guys want to share the light or if you guys want the light to spread out evenly in the room, you can just bend it and it just spreads the light. So you even have the Wi-Fi function and the NFC connect buttons over here. So you can transfer all your pictures and all your videos that you've captured on this camera into your phone just with a tap. Now if you talk about the dial, you have 2 functions in the dial. One is the step-by-step movement of the dial and the other one is a smooth dial which can be enabled by pressing this button at the side. So you press this button and this starts moving softly. Now this dial can be assigned to any feature that you guys want in the camera. By default the camera has set it to zoom. Now if you guys talk about the price, this camera costs approximately around 40 to 42,000 rupees. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you guys would know that I desperately needed a camera and I desperately needed the quality to be amazing. Now today's video is being filmed on my Redmi Note 7 Pro. So if you guys want to see a review of this phone, you guys can check it out over here. So guys, this was my Canon G7X Mark II. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video.